Stretching. It's a simple yet powerful activity that can transform your body and mind. But what exactly happens when we stretch? Let's dive into the science behind stretching. When you stretch, you're elongating the muscle fibers and tendons. This process improves the flexibility and elasticity of your muscles, allowing for a greater range of motion. There are different types of stretching, each serving a unique purpose. Dynamic stretching, as seen here, involves moving parts of your body in a controlled manner to increase blood flow and prepare muscles for activity. On the other hand, static stretching is performed without movement. Holding a stretch for 15 to 30 seconds helps relax the muscles after exercise, promoting recovery and reducing muscle tension. For those looking to enhance their flexibility further, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, or PNF stretching, is highly effective. This technique involves both stretching and contracting the muscle, making it a staple in rehabilitation and athletic training. But does stretching prevent muscle soreness? Contrary to popular belief, while stretching can help with muscle relaxation and flexibility, it doesn't significantly prevent delayed onset muscle soreness. Proper cool-down routines, hydration, and rest play a more crucial role in muscle recovery. And what about injury prevention? Stretching alone isn't enough. A dynamic warm-up that mimics the movements of your activity is key to preparing your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injuries. Incorporating stretching into your daily routine can yield immense benefits. Improved flexibility, reduced muscle tension, enhanced posture, and even stress relief are just a few rewards you can reap. So take a few moments each day to stretch. Listen to your body, avoid overstretching, and enjoy the journey towards a more flexible, relaxed, and healthier you. Stretch wisely, live well.